Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you an interesting topic, a simple traffic light system by using an Arduino board and some basic electronic components. Okay, so here I am using a Tinkercad software for the designing of the circuit as well as for the coding of the board. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of a simple traffic light system. So this blue board is called actually an Arduino Uno board, and I connected three LEDs. This is actually the LEDs. They are giving lights, and this is resistors. These are the basic components in electronics. So I connected three LEDs here, the 0, 1 and 2 pins of the Arduino board. The red LED is connected to the 0th pin, yellow is connected to the first pin and green is connected to the second pin. Okay, so the other leg of LED, that means the negative side of LED, which is called cathode, is connected together of all the LEDs and then connected to a common ground. So this is the circuit diagram. Now the circuit diagram completes, and then I'm going to the programming section. So now we are going to program the Arduino board to work as like a traffic light system. So here, this is the code of the system that I already written. In the first session, there is C++ code. C++ programming has a simple syntax system. So you need to follow that rules. So in the first session, the void setup, we need to declare all the pins which we are going to use in the program. So here I'm using the 0, first and second pins of the LED as second pins of the Arduino as our output pins. The ground pin or the VCC or power pins are not needed to declare in the program. So I'm using a keyword pin mode to declare all the pin numbers as output. Okay, so this is the first part of the program. Coming to the looping session, loop is actually some set of statements that are continuously running. So here I am doing some code inside the looping system to repeat a lot of times. Okay, so in the first code in the looping session, I just turn on the red LED and then I'm giving, so for that I'm giving a digital write keyword. So the keyword is known as digital write, which makes the LED on. In that line, our Arduino board is giving a 5 volt to the LED to turn on. Okay, then it wait up to 5 seconds. For that, I'm giving a delay. So it's actually a keyword which is used to retain the LED's state. In the first, the red LED is turned on, and by using the delay keyword, I'm just retaining the on state of the LED. Okay, in the next session, I'm giving a low, that means digital write 0, low, which means I'm giving a 0 voltage to the red light, which means the red LED is turned off, and at that moment I just on the yellow LED here by using the command digital write in brackets 1, high, which means the next LED is turned on at the moment when the red LED is off. Okay, then it retained for 5 seconds, or here I am just given 2 seconds. So for that, I just used a delay 2000, which means 2 seconds. Okay. In the next step, I just turned off the yellow LED, and at that moment, I just turned on the green LED and retain it for 5 seconds. And this process is continuously doing in this section. Okay, guys, let you think about the traffic light system. In real traffic light, we have a green light. Okay, in that green light, when green light is on, all the vehicles were in the waiting session, or the traffic is actually completely closed in that area. Okay, so this red light is retained for some time. So all the vehicles are eagerly waiting to become a red light or an yellow light. So first in our traffic system, we have three lighting system. After red, we have a yellow light system. Okay, so in that case, all the vehicles are ready to ready for their next ride. Okay, after few seconds, the red light, after few seconds, the green light is arriving. All the vehicles are becoming on and they start their ride. Okay, that is actually the real traffic light system. So here I just used three different color LEDs, red, yellow, and green. And by using an Arduino board, I just recreated a simple model of traffic light system. Okay, so in this Tinkercad software, I can simulate this circuit. Simulate means I can work this circuit. Okay, so let me start the simulation of the circuit. So we can see the red light is on and it waited for a second. Then the red is off, the yellow is on, then yellow is off, the green is on, and then again the system is continuously repeating. So the red is on, waited for few seconds, the yellow is on, waited for few seconds, then green is on. So just connect this simple traffic light system with our real traffic light system. Okay. So we can make or we can develop different interesting type of projects by using this simple Arduino board. And the things which we need is a knowledge about the basic electronics as well as this board and some programming knowledge. Okay.